Guys, Max Tab Hoarder Voltage here with a public service announcement. Yes, I upgraded from 32 gig up to 80 gig worth of RAM. No trouble with as many tabs as I want. But one public service announcement I wanted to add to this, and that is if you are upgrading your memory, even if it's matching memory, it just makes sense to turn off XMP before adding in the new RAM. If it by chance doesn't match, maybe it's a little slower, maybe it's a little faster. Bottom line is you want to make sure that you have compatible speeds. So you want to go into BIOS and turn off XMP, install the RAM, boot up back into BIOS, then reapply the XMP. That is my public service announcement for today. And you guys all have a great day. Appreciate you guys being here.